you see this updated master bath? This is great. I didn't see you in this. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new episode of Touring Tuesday. I'm Jen, your Delaware Realtor. Today we are here at Loganberry, which is a DR Horton community in Felton, Delaware. This is the Pine model. I cannot wait for you to see it, so let's go take a look. In the midst of a housing affordability crisis, many of the new construction communities that I tour start at $400,000, $500,000, even $600,000. This community offers an achievable entry point even for first-time home buyers. About this kitchen is that it's open and inviting, and there's still room for a dining room table. Well, we all know that this would be my bedroom. It's freaking pink and I love it. For a whole bath, this is pretty big. Plenty of room for all the kids. Hey, I would absolutely love the opportunity to help you with your Delaware new construction experience, but you have to make sure that you contact me before you go to the sales model. Remember, before you go to the sales model. This primary owner suite is a great size. There's plenty of room for a king-size bed, and these huge windows bring lots of natural light. Do you see how spacious this bathroom is? This is great! Guys, I don't know if I've ever told you this before, and you're probably even gonna make fun of me for this, but I am obsessed with Baby Yoda. So I absolutely love this room. I even have that lunchbox. Watching this week's episode of Touring Tuesday. Join us next week where we tour another newly listed home. And I am gonna enjoy a nice ice cold orange crush. Have you ever wondered if you need a realtor for new construction? Check out this video right here. And if you would love to tour Delaware new construction homes with me, check out this playlist right here. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel.